Feel me? What's up? I don't even know why I'm quiet. I don't even know why I'm loud. But I'm quiet and loud because, like, I'm just so happy I can scream. Ah! Alright, but y'all. Okay, talk later. I just got a text message. But I'm about to do the curly hair tutorial. My hair is curly. But yeah, let's get to this video. And, yeah, you guys can see my hair in the light. It's barely even curly. So, I'm about to get it curly. So, you feel me? Take this headband off. See my hair right now? We about to get it curlier. I do my hair every morning. Not every morning, because my hair not even like this anymore. Let me just go get showered and I'll be back. Alright, don't feel me. I got my towel. I can't pause it right now because I'm on an iPhone. And, yeah. But I can edit my video. So, alright, so right now I'm just going to wet my hair.
I'm making it so fast because I have to call my friend at 11 o'clock. So, 12 o'clock. So, if you guys are wondering why am I talking so fast, wet your hair in warm water, not cold water. I wet it in cold water. But if you have nice hair, wet it in warm water. I wouldn't need it in cold water because I have nappy hair.
So I just wet my hair. And alright, now what I'm about to do is put this little May I moisture in this. I put it in every morning when my hair is in a ponytail. And it's conditioner. So it says curl crunch too. It helps your curls get good. So let's put some in there. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Comment down for more tutorials for me to do. And you're getting it. Like, why wouldn't y'all think that you're not getting them? Like, you're most definitely getting them. This makes my hair so curly. But wait, it's one step that it even gets curlier. So you guys see, right? All right, I know y'all see. Now what you want to do is shake, and that's what gets it curly. See? You see how they're coming in really good? Nod your head, shake to the side. Alright, now what I'm about to do is rinse it out, and I'll be right back with y'all. Sorry guys that's taking so long. Cause I'm keep having to just like take so long. Cause I'm just waiting it so long. So now it's not curly as like curly. But now what you want to do to make it real curly, like once you dry it with the towel, it's not going to be that curly. But now what you want to do is put this coconut oil in it. It's almost gone. I'm about to go to the shop, right? No, I'm not about to go to the shop. But I'm just going to the store to get some more. So, Just put that in your hair. Remember to shake it. Get it all good in there. Or your hair is not gonna be curling. You feel me? So. Use as much as you can. Now what you want to do, shake it. Whew. And then it will form curls in the front so it looks like this. So this is the finishing touch up. I'm gonna go in my room because it's much brighter. This is the finishing touch up. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, comment down for more tutorials or challenges. And I also dance, so comment down what dance tutorials should I do. And yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share. Peace.